This conference will now be recorded.
In the previous session, we started relationships and we discussed one-to-many relationship. One-to-many relationship. First of all, what is a relationship is nothing but connecting two objects. Okay, connecting two objects. That is technically we will call it as a we are making relationship between two objects. Okay, so and in the previous session we started discussing about one-to-many relationship. First of all, what is the concept of one-to-many relationship is nothing but one parent record and n number of child records. One parent and n number of child records. That is the concept. One parent and one n number of child records. So how we implemented one-to-many relationship in the Salesforce between the object is nothing but first we created one company object, right? Company is a custom object. We created one custom object, right? We created one custom object. While creating, we created one field that is nothing but company name, right? In addition to that, you will just go and create any number of fields, right? It doesn't matter. Okay, and after that, what we did, we created one employee object, right? We created one employee object. Okay, we created one employee object. While creating, we created one field that is nothing but employee number. In addition to that, you will just go and create any number of fields, right? Like first name, last name, mother name, or any number of fields, it doesn't matter. Now my target is I want to connect these two objects. I want to connect these two objects. So while connecting, we have to decide based on our requirement, we have to decide which is a parent and which is a child. In my requirement, company is a parent. Company is a parent record and employee is a child record. Okay. So while making a relationship between the object, we will always go to the child object. We will always go to the child object. We will always go to the child object. Now, first go to the employee object. Go to the employee object. Select the data type. Select the data type. We have to create one field. Okay. How to make relationship is nothing but we have to create a field. While creating a field, first step is we have to select the data type, right? Here two data types are there, lookup relationship and master detail relationship. First here we are trying to selecting lookup relationship. So the first point is select data type, that is nothing but a lookup relationship. Okay, select data type that is nothing but lookup relationship. Okay, then the next one is with which object we are trying to making a relationship, with which object we are making a relationship. So object select object, that is nothing but company object. Then the next one is what is that relationship field. We are making connection between these two objects, in the sense means one field is common. Then what is that field name you are going to add? What is that field name you are going to add? My field name is nothing but I'm going to add it as a company. I'm going to add as a same name as a company. I'm going to add same name as a company. Here the common field is nothing but company only. The common field is nothing but company. So by using this field we are connecting these two tables. By using this field we are connecting these two objects. And one more important point is whenever we are making a relationship, the system automatically connected to the first field only. For example, here email is there. From this object, I want to make relationship to the email field means no. That is not in our hand. Whenever we are making a relationship to this particular object, what is the first field? While creating object, what is the first field? Company name is the first field, right? The system automatically map to this particular field. The system automatically map to this particular field. So like this we implemented lookup relationship in the previous session. So one point is when we delete parent record, when we delete parent record, then child record will not delete in the lookup relationship. Child record it will not delete in the lookup relationship. So I will just go and create some test record for lookup relationship. I'm trying to logging into the Salesforce. What is the URL? Login.salesforce.com. Because of ours is a trailer version, and you have to enter your username and password. and then it will redirecting into the lightning version. It will automatically redirecting into the lightning version. Okay, so now what is the first step? I am trying to creating one company record. I am trying to creating one company record. Okay, go to app launcher, go to app launcher, and you have to type it as a company straight. Click on the company, and then you have to click on the new button. I am trying to creating a new record. My company name is nothing but Facebook. Okay, and enter email. It's not mandatory. .com, and the next one is phone number, and click on the save button. So we created one company record. So detail page is nothing but detail is nothing but this is a parent record. This is a parent record. Now go to the related. Go to the related. This is nothing but related list. This is nothing but related list. For this parent, okay, for this parent, I am trying to creating one employee. Means in Facebook company, I am trying to creating one employee. How we are creating an employee? Here you have to go to the employee related list and click on this new button. Click on this new button, enter first name James and James. Okay, James, and click on the save button. Click on the save button. Click on the save button. So we created one employee record, right? We created one employee record. So now go to the employee tab also. Go to the employee tab. Employee tab. We created one James record. We created one James record. See, this is a James record, right? We created where he is working. He is working in the Facebook company. This is a relationship field. Okay, this is a relationship field from company to, I mean, between company and employee. This is a relationship field. Now coming into here, I am trying to creating one more employee in the same Facebook company. This is a go to the Facebook, I mean company. Go to the company. Go to the Facebook record. Go to the Facebook record. Under this record, we created one employee. That employee number is 14. Now I am trying to creating one more employee. Go to here, Peter, and here Peters. Click on the save button. See, one more employee is nothing but 15, right? 15. So what we discussed here in the lookup relationship, when we delete parent record, then child record it will not delete, right? Child record it will not delete, right? Then what I will do here? Go to the Facebook record. Go to the Facebook record, and I'm trying to deleting here. Click on this delete. Click on this delete. So we deleted parent record. Facebook record we deleted. Under Facebook record, two employees are working. Under Facebook record, two employees are working. Who are the employees? James and Peters. Now go to employee tab. Go to employee tab. See here, still 14. I mean, James is there, Peter is there. James is there, Peter is there. So here the concept is when we delete a parent record, then child record it will not delete automatically whenever we are coming into the lookup relationship. So here this field is it is becoming as a blank, right? It is becoming as a blank, right? Just remember this one. Just remember this one. Now we are going to discuss about master detail relationship. Now we are going to discuss about master detail relationship. Okay, so again I am trying to creating one more object, one more custom object. I am trying to creating my custom object name is nothing but company. Okay, company m, and while creating we will get one field, right? That is nothing but company company name. If you want, you will just go and create some other fields, it doesn't matter. So the first point is I am trying to creating one custom object. My custom object name is nothing but company m. Okay, now I am on this page. I want to create one custom object. How to navigate? Always go to the setup. Always go to the setup here. Go to the setup, and in the object manager is there, right? Click on the object manager. Okay, and go to here, create is there, right? Click on the create. Click on custom object. We are trying to creating one custom object. Yes, what is your custom object name? Okay, company m. Okay, company m. Any name, it doesn't matter, but based on our requirement, I'm just providing it as a m. Okay, and at the end of the this label, I'm just adding yes. It is not mandatory. We are just following the Salesforce naming conversion, and this is nothing but a tab name. This is nothing but tab name. Okay, by using tab only we are creating record, right? See here, this is a tab, right? Employees tab, right? And this is nothing but companies tab, right? Companies tab. By using tab only we are inserting the data into the object, right? So that tab name is nothing but this one. Plural label is nothing but that tab name. Now scroll down here. Object name is nothing but Salesforce system automatically create one API, that is nothing but company m underscore underscore c. Now the Salesforce system, it should create one field. That field name is automatically object name plus name. If you want, you will just go and change it like name also. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. By default, object name, here you have to observe object name, and at the end the system it will add name. If you want, you will just go and change it. Now the data type is nothing but a text. Here one more data type, that is nothing but auto number. So based on our requirement we will select. Here I'm selecting the text as a data type. So suppose we want to make this object as a tab, select this one. My tab name is nothing but this one. My tab name is nothing but plural label. Try to save this one. So we are trying to creating one custom object. My custom object name is nothing but company name, and the style is nothing but anything. It doesn't matter. There is no logic while selecting the tab style. Then click on the next button. This profile is related to the security. We will discuss going forward. Click on the next button. Custom app is also a separate concept. We'll discuss. Finally, try to save this one. So we created one custom object. My custom object name is nothing but company name. My label is nothing but company names, and the API name is nothing but company name underscore underscore c. Okay, so now I will just go and create one more object. My object name is nothing but employee m. Employee. Here we have a doubt. So to make master detail relationship, we have to create a separate object each and every time. No, it is not like that. So here from company and employee is there, right? From employee object also we will make master detail relationship to the company. Okay, what I am trying to say is it mandatory to create separate object while making a relationship? No, it is not like that. So here in the previous case we created lookup relationship, right? We created lookup relationship. So in the same manner we will also create master detail relationship from employee to the company. Then why you are creating new custom object means for our practice purpose. Okay, we will get more practice, right? That's why I'm trying to creating multiple custom object. Now I am trying to creating one more custom object, that is nothing but employee. Go to here, setup. Go to here, setup, and my custom object name is nothing but employee m. Go to object manager, click on create, click on custom object, and my custom object name is nothing but employee m, and here employee m's, and the next one is the record name is nothing but as our wish. This is the first field, and make this one as a tab. Finally try to save this one. Okay, now go to here, select any tab style, click on the next button, click on the next button, and click on save button. So this is my employee tab. This is the object. This is nothing but API name. Now my target is we want to make master detail relationship. Why we have to go master detail relationship? Okay, there is a lookup relationship is there, right? Okay, why we have to go to the master detail relationship is nothing but when we delete a parent record, then child record it will delete automatically. In that case we have to go and use master detail relationship. When we delete a parent record, child record it will not delete. In that case we have to go and use lookup relationship. In that case we have to go and use lookup relationship. My target is, my requirement is, when we delete a parent record, then I want to delete a child record automatically. So automatically, that is my functionality. So for that purpose I am trying to creating master detail relationship from this particular object. So always same process, everything is same. Go to the child object, okay, this is my child object, right? Go to fields and relationship sections. We are trying to creating a new field. In the Salesforce, suppose we want to make a relationship between two objects, mean then we will just go and create a field. While creating a field, we have to select lookup relationship or master detail relationship based on our requirement. Okay, click on this new button. Click on this new button. So here I'm trying to selecting master detail relationship as a data type. So why means that is the main reason why you lookup means child record it will not delete, master means child record it will delete. Now go to here, click on the next button, and the second one is you will just go and select the you will just go and select the parent record and click on next. Every step is same, every step is same. So here the same name I am giving, I am using the same name. See, my name is nothing but company only, name is nothing but company only. Then click on next, then click on next, and click on next. All these steps are common in both lookup relationship and master detail relationship. This is nothing but related list label, right? Where we will get this related list label, where we will get this related list label. Now coming into here, coming into the lookup relationship, go to here. This is a parent record, right? This is a parent record, right? For this parent record, go to the related. This related is nothing but this is a related list, right? This related list name is nothing but employees, right? So here this is the name. For example, I will just make it as a employee info details. Okay, employee info details. Here this is a parent. For this parent, this is a related list. This is a related list. Okay, then click on the save button. Click on the save button. Now go to here. See, this is a company field, right? What is the API name? Company underscore underscore C, right? What is the data type? Master detail relationship. This is called master detail relationship. Means this is a master, company is a master, we will call it as a, and this is nothing but a detail object. Okay, this is nothing but detail object. The terminology is this is nothing but master object, and this is nothing but detail object. This is nothing but a detail object. With which object we are maintaining a relationship? That is nothing but company. With which object we are maintaining a relationship? That is nothing but company. Now we will just go to the front end and we will see what is the impact. So what I will do, I will just go to the company M tab. I will go to the company M tab. Now I am on this page. I want to create a record in the company M. How to create a record in company M? Go to the app launcher, company M's, company M. Okay, click on this one. Click on this one. Now I'm trying to creating a new company record. Go to here, click on this new one, and my company name is nothing but TCS, and click on the save button. So we created one company record. That my company record name is nothing but TCS. In the TCS, I want to add three employees. I want to add three employees. How to add three employees? Go to the related list. Go to the related list. It will take some time, I think, because of this is lightning version. Actually should come here automatically, it will take some time. I don't know, but in the project, in the sandbox, whenever we are working, it will not take this much of time. Immediately it is available here. Okay, now we created one TCS record, right? In the company M object, we created one TCS record, right? Now I want to add three employees in this TCS company, in this TCS company. So where means, go to the, one second, TCS, click on the related, click on the, one second, not it came. Now go to the employee tab. Two options, right? You will directly go to the related list, and here you will get this employee info related list. By using that one, you will just go and add it. Otherwise, we have another option, right? What is the other option? Go to the employee M tab. Go to the employee M tab. Go to the employee M tab. Go to here, employee M tab, and click on this new button. Click on this new button. See, employee name is nothing but James, and the company here you have to observe, the company here you have to observe, this is same icon, lookup icon or master detail relationship icon, both we will call it as a lookup icon. Click on this lookup icon. Okay, click on this lookup icon. Click on this lookup icon, and one second, sorry, what we did, I created wrongly. I want to, we want to make a relationship with the company M, right? Not company, right? That's why there it is not coming. So I'm just deleting this relationship. I'm trying to deleting this relationship. We just make a connection to this company object, not company m object. That's why it is not coming. So I just deleted this field. Go to deleted fields. Go to deleted fields. Erase this one, means it will permanently delete. It will permanently delete. Okay. So now again I will just go to my employee M. Previously what I did is we make a relationship to the company object, not with the company M object. Our target is we want to make a relationship with the company M object, right? Now go to fields and relationship sections, click on this new button, click on this new button, go to master detail relationship, click on the next button, click on the next button. Now go to here, company M. Previously we maintain relationship with the company M. Our target is we want to make a relationship with the company M. Okay, click on next, click on next, and see same name as a parent object name. Then click on next, click on next. Finally, I'm just providing my related list name as a employee information, employee information. Then click on the save button. Everything is same. We mapped with the wrong object. We mapped with the wrong objects here. Here this is my parent object. Now it is correct. We mapped with the company m object. Now go to the company m. Now go to the app launcher. Go to the company m. Go to the company m's. Go to the company m. I am trying to creating one parent record. Click on this new button. My company name is nothing but global, and try to save this one, try to save this one. So in this global company I want to add three employees. How to add? Go to the related, go to the related. See here, my related list name is nothing but employee information, right? That is nothing but employee m object only. So I will just go and add my employees from here. Otherwise I will go to the employee m tab. Two options are there. My target is we want to insert the data into the global record. We want to insert the data into the global record. How to insert the data? Sorry, we want to add employees into the global record. We want to add employees into the global record. How to add? Go to the related list. Your employee information is there, right? New button is there, right? This is one option. Click on this one. Employee name is nothing but James. Try to save this one. I will just go and create one more record. Click on this new button, Peters. Try to save this one. I will just go and create one more record, Akira. Finally try to save this one. So one parent, global is a parent record, and for this parent record three employees are working, James, Akira, Peters. Three employees are working, three employees are working. Now go to the employee m tab. Go to the employee m's tab. Go to employee m tab. Go to the employee m tab. See how many records are there here. Akira is there, Peter is there, James is there, right? Three records are there, right? Now the first observation is I am trying to deleting the parent record. I am trying to deleting the parent record. Then what happened to these three employees? Then what happened to these three employees? Now go to here. I am trying to deleting this one. So we deleted a parent record. Now coming into here, what happened to these child records? See, I am just refreshing. See, there are no employees. Means now we are sure, right? When we delete a parent record, then child record it will automatically delete in master detail relationship. We are guarantee, right? One more thing here. This is a company, right? TCS is a company record. This TCS is a company record. In this company record, I want to add employees. So go to related list. Click on this new button. My employee name is nothing but X1, and I will just go and create one more record. Click on this new button, X2. Try to save this one. Now what I will do, I will just go to TCS record and I will delete this record. When we delete this record, what happened to the child records? Child record is what? Under related list, employee information is one of employee information is one related list. Under this related list, we have these employee records. What happened to these records? Go to here, delete this one. What happened to these records? Now go to employees. Click on this employees. Go to here, all not recently viewed. Go to here, all. See here, there are no child records. Means when we delete a parent record, then child record it will automatically delete in the master detail relationship. in the master detail relationship. And one more important point is, here you have to observe, this is a company M. The icon in both cases, the icon we will call it as a lookup relationship, right? In both cases, for example, coming into here in the previous session, we created one employee, right? Click on this new button. See here, click on this new button. In this case also the same icon, right? But one observation here you have to observe, there is no star mark, there is no red mark here, there is no red mark. This is a lookup field. How we will identify just looking into this one? This is a lookup field and this is a master detail relationship is nothing but, for master detail relationship there is a red mark. There is a red mark means it is a mandatory field. There is a red mark. The main difference between those two is nothing but I mean, when delete a parent record, then child record it will delete. In lookup it is not like that. What is the second option? The second option is nothing but company M field is nothing but this is a mandatory field in the layout. So this is mandatory in the layout. Mandatory in the layout. Mandatory or required field. We will call it as a required field. Mandatory in the layout. This is not mandatory. This is not mandatory. So finally, lookup relationship and master detail relationship both, the concept is one to many only, means one parent record and number of child records. So how we are going to achieve, either using lookup relationship or master detail relationship? When we will go with the lookup relationship, so when we delete a parent record, child record it will not delete, then lookup relationship. When we will go with the master, when we delete a parent record, then child record it will automatically delete. That is nothing but master detail relationship. Okay, the second one is how we will identify. Just looking into this one, I have to identify whether it is a master detail relationship or lookup relationship. How we will identify? See here, this is with the red mark, right? This is with the red mark. Red mark is nothing but master detail relationship. Now coming into here, this is, there is no red mark, right? There is no red mark, right? That is nothing but lookup relationship. There is no red mark, right? That is nothing but lookup relationship. Up to now, any questions? Any questions?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yeah, yes.
So tomorrow, um, I created one custom field and custom object.
Okay.
Hello.
Yes, yes, Kaushik.
Sir, but we selected lookup relationship.
Mhm.
I entered a field name like a company. Yes,
Okay.
sir. Sir, show me the
Okay. So now
lookup
go to
relationship
employees.
types.
Yeah, yeah. Click on this new button. Yes.
Not like sir. Create
Parent one.
a field, sir.
Okay.
Field.
Okay. Go to here. Edit object. Fields and relationship sections. Click on this new
It's,
button.
okay.
Yes.
Uh, Lookup relationship.
Okay. Click on
Next.
yeah, here with
Uh,
company.
here one I have
Yeah.
one dot. Here parent to child option.
Yes, Kaushik.
We take a parent object sir, here.
Yes, here it will take a parent object.
Okay. Next.
Okay. Click on next.
Uh, Sir, here
Yeah.
child relationship name, sir. We can see employee one automatically here.
Yes.
Uh,
What is
we have not defined that employee number, employee one,
yeah,
sir.
this is, yes, yes,
But
yes.
we created a
What
company automatically it shows as a company. But how can I
you
edit,
are
sir?
you are saying this child relationship name it is not showing, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So coming into here, okay, one second. Coming into here, click on this company. Previously we created, right? Previously we created, right? Now here you have to observe, whenever we are making, whenever we are writing a programming, that time only that relationship name is useful. Okay, that time only that relationship, child relationship name is there, right? That time only this relationship is useful. We'll discuss that. Other than that, there is no use. It will not come in the front end.
Okay.
Cause- So Your question is
Got
while
it.
adding the name, we have child
Ah,
relationship name
yes.
is there, right? Then where is that useful means it is not available in the front end. It is not available in the front end. While making a programming that time, we will use this child relationship name. Okay, we will use this child relationship name.
Okay.
Other than that, it is not available in the front end. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Got it.
Any other
Thank you.
questions? Yeah, thank you. Any other questions? Yeah. Uh, 1 second. Yeah. Here you have to observe in master detail relationship, we have two cases are there. Okay. I'm just closing all these things. Two cases are there. Okay. So in master detail relationship, we have two cases are there. So first what we did, we created one company M object, right? We created one company M object, right? Okay. And after that, what we did? After that, what we did? We created one employee M object, right? We created one employee M object, right? Okay. We created one employee M object, right? After that, what we did? We created any records or we directly make a relationship field. Just remember, we created any records or we just directly make a relationship. We directly make a relationship field, right? Okay. Then we created record, right? Then we created a record, right? Then we created a record, right? So this case we discuss. We have another case. In interview also they will ask, and this is real time case. Case one is we created two custom objects. We created two custom objects. Immediately we did not created any data. Immediately we created a relationship field. Once created a relationship field, then we we created record. Just remember now coming into your case number two. Case number two. So employee M object is there, right? Employee M object is there, right? Now after that company M object is there, right? And after that employee M object is there, two custom object here, two custom objects here. There is no relationship between these two custom object. Okay, there is no relationship between these two custom object. Okay, now what I will do is I will just go and create data in employee M object. Data means record I will create. 1 second, 1 second. Yeah. So here you have to observe. First, we created one company M object, and after that we created one employee M object, right? We created one employee M object right here. Then here, what we will do is before making a relationship, I will create a records. How many records we have to create means at least one record. In employee M object, I mean in the child object, we created at least one record, not in the parent object. Not, I mean, there is no relationship between those two objects. We have two custom object. One is company M object and another one is employee M object. And another one is employee M object. Now what I will do? I will go to the employee M object. I will create some record. How many records we have to create? At least one record. I created one record here in employee object. Later, my client is asking boss, we will make a relationship between these two objects. Okay, we will make a relationship between these two objects. So then what it will happen? Then what it will happen? Let's see here. So what it will happen? First, what I will do, I will just go and delete the relationships. Go to the employees. Okay. Go to the employee. I will just go and delete the relationships. Let's see. Not here. Employee. Go to setup. Go to setup and go to object manager. I will just go and delete. I will just go to the employee M objects here, employee M object, right? Go to this employee M object, go to fields and relationship section. I am trying to deleting this particular field. Delete this one, delete this one. Okay. So and go to deleted fields and again erase this one. Go to deleted fields and again erase this one. So we deleted the relationship field. Now I have two custom object. One is company M and another one is employee M. There is no connection, nothing. There are independent object. There are independent object. Then what I will do? I will go to my employee tab, employee M tab. Okay, I will go to my employee M tab. Go to here employee M. and click on the new button, click on this new button, click on this new button. Then you will just go and enter employee details and click on the save button. So we created one employee record. We created one employee record, minimum one. So we created, where we created, in employee object we created. Okay, now my client is asking, boss, we will make a relationship between these two objects. Then immediately we have to ask them what kind of relationship. I mean, when we delete a parent record, then we have to delete a child record. Yes, the client is said that kind of facility only we want. Then which relationship we will select? We will select master detail relationship. We will select. Okay, so master detail relationship means from the child object only we will make a master detail relationship, right? My client said, boss, employee is a child. So go to the child object. Go to the child object. Okay, go to the employee m object. Go to here, edit object, go to your edit object. I am trying to creating one relationship field. Okay, but here the case is there are records. Where the records in employee m records are there, means in child object records are there. Go to fields and relationship sections, click on this new button, click on this new button. I am trying to creating master detail relationships here. I am trying to creating master detail relationship. Click on the next button, click on the next button. Now I am just making a relationship with the company m. Click on next, click on next. See, I'm just using the same name, this child relationships name. Whenever we are writing programming, that time it is useful. Okay, other than that it is not available in the front end. Forget about sharing settings. For each and everything there is a separate concept. Click on the next button, click on next, click on next. So employee, this is a related list. Finally try to save this one. See what happened, the system is not accepting to create master detail relationship when there is at least one record in the child object, not in the parent object. In company object, how many records are there, it will not worry. But in employee object, at least one record is there. And from employee object we are making a relationship with the company m object. Then the system, it will not accept, the system, it will not accept. You can't create a new master detail relationship. Go to here. So the system, it is displaying an error message here. See, you can't create a new master detail relationship on existing custom object if record already exists. This is the problem. So you are trying to creating a master detail relationship. So from the employee m object, you are making a master detail relationship with the company m object. Yes. While making, what it will happen? The system is not accepting. Why it is not accepting? There is a record. In employee m object, there is a record. How many records? At least one record. At least one record. You can't create a new master detail relationship on an existing custom object if records already exist. Okay, this is the problem. Then what is the solution? But I want to create, my client is expecting, I want to create a master detail relationship. Then what is the solution? Any questions?
For that, we need to create a lookup relationship and we need
I'm
to change it.
Mahesh, I'm explaining, Mahesh. Okay. So
Yeah.
the solution is, yeah, yeah, the solution here is, okay, Salesforce is provided this option. Suppose there is a master detail relationship, there is a master detail, suppose we want to create a master detail relationship and there is a record. I'm not accept directly create a master detail relationship. What I'm trying to say is, in the child object there is a record and you are trying to creating a master detail relationship, but I will not directly accept. So there is some another solution, another way is there. Okay, the solution is, Salesforce is saying, first you have to go and create a lookup relationship. First go and create a lookup relationship. Instead of creating a master detail relationship, go to the employee object and create a lookup relationship, and create a lookup relationship here. That is the first point. Now go to here, go to here, fields and relationship sections, click on this new button, click on this new button. Now go to here, lookup relationship is there, right? Select the lookup relationship. I am not selecting master detail relationship. Suppose I will select master detail relationship, what is happening backend? The system, it is displaying an error message saying that already a record is there, so no need, it will not allow us to create. So first create a lookup relationship, then click on next. And with which object we are maintaining a relationship? That is nothing but company m only, right? Company m. Then click on next, click on next. Everything is same. First we are trying to creating a lookup relationship. Click on next, click on next, click on next. So related list, everything is same. Finally try to save this one. So first create a lookup relationship. So step 1 is completed, right? Step 1 is completed, right? Now coming into step 2, populate the lookup field with data in all records. Populate the lookup field with data in all records. Okay, 1 second. Populate the lookup field with the data in all records here. Populate the lookup field with the data in all records. Means go to the child object. Go to the child object. Okay. Go to the child object. So refresh this one. Just now we created, right? One lookup field we created, right? Populate how many records are there, it doesn't matter. Go to each and every record. Go to each and every record. It is not. Go to each and every record. So you have to populate. See, that's what they are saying. Populate the lookup field. I mean, go to the child records. Here we have only one record. Here we have only one record. Suppose we have 10,000 records. What we have to do means we have to go some data loader tool is there. We will go with the data loader tool. So what is the second step is go to each and every record. Go to employee object. Go to each and every record you have to go to. Go to each and every record you have to go to. See, and populate this lookup field with the parent. Populate this lookup field with the parent. So first we will just go and create parent record. Parent record you will just go and create with the parent record. Populate that lookup field with the data. Any parent. Go to here. I am trying to creating one parent record. I'm trying to creating one parent record. TCS. Finally try to save this one. I will just go and create one more record. Click on this one, Infosys. Try to save this one. Okay, two company records are there, right? Now coming into child. Now coming into child. Okay, click on this edit. Populate this one. Populate with this one with the proper parent record. Which one we have to select means based on our requirement. Based on our requirement. That's what they are saying in the second condition. Populate the lookup field with the data in all records. How many records are there in the child object? Go to each and every object. Populate this field with the corresponding parent. Here we have only one record, right? Suppose we have 10,000 records are there, right? Then we have to go to each and every record. We have to populate the data. No, some tools are there. Some tools are there. By using the tools we have to populate. Now coming into our concept, here I am trying to populating with the TCS company. Based on our requirement, whether TCS or Infosys, we have to populate the data in the lookup field, then click on the save button. So the second step is completed, right? The second step is completed, right? So now what is the third step? The third step is then change the relationship type to the master detail. Now go to the employee m object. Go to employee m object. Go to here employee m object. Go to your employee m object. Go to fields and relationship sections. See your company m is there, right? Company m there. Click on this one. Click on this one. So then click on this edit button. Click on this edit button. Click on this edit button. See what they are saying. Then change the relationship type to master detail. We created a lookup relationship, right? We have to change the field type. See, click on this field type. See, from lookup relationship to the master detail relationship, we have to change it. Once again, so this is the field. What is the third step? The third step is you created a lookup field, right? Then click on this particular field. Click on this particular field. And then click on this particular edit button. Click on this particular edit button. Then change field type. Change field type. They are asking you created lookup relationship. Now you have to change the data type from lookup to the master detail relationship. Select the master detail relationship. Then click on the next button. After that, everything is same. Click on the save button. So now see here, this is a master detail relationship. If we are not guarantee means go to the employee, click on this new button. Click on this new button. See here, refresh this one. See, 1 second. Click on this new button. Still not coming. If I mean, if we are not guaranteed, go to here, click on this new button. You have to verify whether it is a lookup relationship or master detail relationship. How we will verify? How we will identify whether it is a lookup relationship or master detail relationship? If there is a red mark, if there is a red mark, then that is nothing but master detail relationship. Go to here, employee m, click on this new button, click on this new button. Still not yet impacted. Okay, but how we will identify whether it is a master detail? One second. With which object we maintained? Okay, company name only, right? Yeah, so it is not yet impacted. It will take some time. Okay, but in the real time it is not like that. Immediately it will impact. Go here, click on this new button. Immediately it will show. How we will guarantee whether it is a lookup relationship or master detail relationship? Means it is with the red mark. It is with the red mark. So now we are clear, right? These two cases. So in interview also definitely they will ask. So what is, I mean, how, what kind of relationships are there? Then this case they will ask. I have one scenario. I have two objects. Okay, A and B, two objects are there. In A object, I have some records are there, and B object there are no records. See here, they will ask directly like this. I have two objects. Okay, two objects. So one is A object and another one is B object. One is A object and another one is B object. So in A object some records are there. Now we want to maintain master detail relationship. While maintaining master detail relationship, B is child. So is it possible? Yes, it is possible. Records are in parent object. In the parent object records, it doesn't matter whether records are there, records are not there, it doesn't matter. We are maintaining master detail relationship from the B object, right? In the B object there are no records, right? Yes, system it will accept. So this is one case. They will ask another case. I have two custom objects. One is A and another one is B. One is A and another one is B. Okay. Now we want to maintain master detail relationship between these two objects. In A object we have some records and B object also we have some record. Then how we will maintain? How we will create master detail relationship? Means we have to say in B objects some records are there. We are maintaining master detail relationship from the B object, right? So the system it will not accept directly. So what we have to do is, first we have to create a lookup relationship field. Then we have to populate all the records. How many records are there in the child object? We have to populate each and every record lookup field with the proper parent. Then we have to change the data type from the lookup to the master detail relationship. So this is the solution. In interview definitely they will ask any questions on this one. In master detail relationship we have two cases are there, right? Any questions on this one? Okay, so now coming into here, relationships, right? What is the definition of the relationship? Means connecting two objects, right? We are connecting these two objects, right? That is technically we will call it as a relationship. Relationship is a general concept, not only Salesforce. You will go to Java programming or some other programming, any programming, relationship concept is available. So in Salesforce, how we are connecting these two objects, mean this is the process. So how many types of relationship? Is nothing but one-to-one relationship. First of all, what is the concept of one to one? First, we have to understand the concept. Coming into the general concept, one Indian citizen is one PAN number, one Aadhaar card, right? One person, only one record, right? One parent and only one child, right? One parent and only one child. So coming into the Salesforce, what is the concept of one-to-one relationship? Is nothing but one parent and only one child record. One parent and only one child record. That is nothing but one-to-one relationship. How we are going to implement one-to-one relationship? By using lookup or master detail relationship. By using lookup or master detail relationship. But in the lookup and master detail, what it will happen? We can create any number of records, right? For example, coming into here, second, coming into here. So this is coming into here, company M, company, otherwise company is coming into company, and click on this new button. Click on this new button. JDA is a company. Click on save button. We created one company record. In this company record, how many child records we will create? So go to here, employee related list, click on this new button. First of all, what kind of relationship is there? This is a lookup relationship. How many child records we will create? One record we will create. And I will just go and create one more record. One more record I will just go and create. I will just go and create one more record. But this is coming as a one-to-many relationship. My requirement is one-to-one. I mean one parent and only one child. So how we are going to implement is nothing but first create lookup relationship. First create lookup relationship or master detail relationship. The second one is we have to write one validation. We have to write one validation. We have to write a validation saying that suppose you are trying to creating more than one record, it will not allow us, it will display an error message. So finally to implement one to one, how we are going to implement? First we will just go and create either lookup and master detail relationship. The second one is we have to write a validation rule. We have to write a validation rule. What is this validation rule means we'll discuss. Going forward we will discuss. So finally to achieve one-to-one relationship in the Salesforce, how we are going to achieve? By using lookup relationship or master detail relationship. That is the first point. The second one is we have to write a validation rule. Why we have to write a validation rule? We have to restrict, right? Suppose user is trying to creating more than one record, we have to restrict. Boss, you don't have rights to create a record. So this is one to one only. So this is one to one. So finally to achieve one to one, the definition of one to one is one parent and one child record. How we are going to implement means first we have to create either lookup relationship or master detail relationship. The second one is we have to write a validation rule. Suppose I will not write a validation rule, then it will come as a one to many relationship. So validation rule is nothing but we have to restrict. Suppose user is trying to creating one more record, we have to display error message. As you don't have rights to create one another record here. Already one record is there, you don't have rights here. So this is one to one relationship. So we will discuss about validation rule, how to write a validation rule and all those things. Any question related to one to one? Any questions related to one to one? Okay. Now coming into here, one to many. First of all, what is the concept of one to many relationship? One parent and n number of child, right? One parent. This is a parent record. For example, TCS is a company. How many employees are working? N number of employees, right? N number of child. So that's why I'm saying that n number of child. N number of child. One parent and n number of child. How you are going to implement this one to many relationship in the Salesforce? By using lookup relationship or by using master detail relationship. Both are one to many only. Okay, both are one to many only. But when we will go with the lookup relationship, okay, suppose the client is asking was two objects are there, go and maintain a relationship between those two objects. This is our requirement. Then the next question from us is we have to ask the client, boss, what is our functionality? Means whenever we delete a parent record, then we have to delete a child record or not? Yes, I want to delete a child record. Then go to master detail relationship. Okay. No, no, I don't want to delete a child record. Then you have to go with the lookup relationship. If any person will ask what is the difference between lookup relationship and master detail relationship means, first we have to answer this one. When we delete a parent record, then child record it will not delete in the lookup relationship. When we delete a parent record, then child record it will delete in the master detail relationship. Both are one to many relationship. Then we have to go with this is not mandatory in the layout, and this is mandatory in the layout. Mandatory in the sense means it is coming with the red mark, right? Go to here, it is coming with the red marks here. This is the lookup relationship. How I am saying, just looking into this one, I am saying this is a lookup relationship. See here, there is no red mark, right? There is no red mark. This is nothing but a lookup relationship, right? So then we have to answer, then we have to give this information. This is not mandatory in the layout. In the layout, that is called layout. Okay, this is, we will call it as a layout. This is called layout, page layout. Not yet to discuss this concept, we will discuss. This is not mandatory in the layout. This is mandatory in the layout. This is the second one. This is mandatory in the layout. Then the next one is, then the next one is 25 lookup relationship field we will create. 25 lookup fields we will create per object. Lookup fields we will create from object. Okay, from object. I will tell what exactly this one. And here two master detail relationship. Two master detail relationship fields we will create. Okay, we will create. I will explain what exactly this one. Coming into here, I have A is there one object, B is there one object, C is there one object, D is there one object, E is there one object, F is there one object. Okay, like that I have lot of objects are there. Okay, now I have one X object. I have one X object. Now we want to make a relationship with the A object. Okay, X is a child. Go and make a lookup relationship. So this is called one lookup relationship. Okay. Now go to here. I will just go and make a relationship with the B. This is nothing but one more field, second field, and I will just go and create one more field, third field. Okay, and I will just go and create one more field. Why we have to create? Assume that there may be a chance. Okay, it's not mandatory based on our requirement. Sometimes we will create. So I'm trying to creating one more field, four fields, four lookup fields we created, one more field, five fields we create. Like that, from this object, from this object, we will create 25 lookup relationship fields. 25 lookup relationship field. Where we will find this information is nothing but go to here. This is this is company m object, right? Go to edit object. 1 second. Go to any custom object. Okay, go to any custom object and see here. This information is 1 second. Click on this edit. Where we will find this information like 25 lookup fields only we will create means coming into classic version. I will explain going not yet explained classic version, just I'm showing. So you are say I'm saying that 25 lookup relationship field for object, right? Where we will find this information is nothing but coming into company object or any object, coming into any custom object. Go to here. So scroll down here, scroll down. Here you have to observe. See, custom relationship field is 40. Custom relationship field is for active lookup filter validation rules. Okay, custom relationship means some other relationship, master detail relationship and some other relationship here it will come. But 25, see total how many fields we will create in this object? 500 fields. Roll up summary field is like 25. So custom relationship field is nothing but 40. I think they increase this one, they increase this one, but you have to say 25 lookup relationship field only. Okay, 25 lookup relationship field per object. From this object we will create 25 lookup relationship field. Okay, now I have some other object. This is nothing but k. From this object I will create one master detail relationship. I will create one more master detail relationship. I will just go and create a third one. The system it will not accept. So from this object we have to create only two master detail relationship field, two master detail relationship field only. This is governor limits. We will call it as a governor limits provided by the Salesforce. Governor limits provided by the Salesforce. We will discuss going forward. Just remember this one. So 25 lookup fields per object we will create. Means from the object, from this object, I will connect with the 25 objects. Okay. Why we have to connect means based on our requirement. Okay, coming into master detail relationship, from this object I will make connection with only two objects. Master detail case means only two master detail relationship fields only. But whenever any person will ask what is the difference between lookup and master means, first we have to give this definition only, and then we have to explain like this: b and c. Then we have to explain b and c. And in the master detail relationship we have two cases are there. Definitely they will ask what the second scenario. Definitely they will ask the second scenario. These two are the I mean one to many, one to one we discussed. In the next session we will discuss many to many. Okay, in the next session we will discuss many to many. Have any questions? We'll go one by one.